Hey everyone, so today I'll be reviewing these amazing Aldo high tops. These are some black high tops that I got from Aldo. My specific size, not that it really matters, is a size 10, and these are amazing shoes. Just to start off, basically the reason why I love them, they have like a nice leather upper interior. All over their leather, but the main thing is that the outside and the bottom sole is black. I personally can't stand shoes that have a white sole. I figure if I'm gonna be walking around all day, everywhere you go, it's gonna be pretty dirty. Having black soles is really nice because at least you don't have to clean the shoes as often, as you can tell here. My shoes, they've been worn quite a bit. The wear is basically the same as you would have at any other shoes. I have a lot of some creasing in here as well, and just right here, right? These are nice because they're not complete high tops. They're probably about like mids. They're somewhere actually between like mid tops and high tops. They come up really nicely right above your ankle. They're great because you can tuck them in with your pants as well too, and it looks super nice. Doesn't look like the interior says anything about leather, which parts are leather, but from at least from the look and feel. So this part is going to be leather. You're also going to have this part here that's leather. This is probably some sort of synthetic material. That's not really a problem because they are super comfy inside. Very, very comfy. This little ridge here at the, I guess it's the neck it's called, at the very top is really nice. It feels really good around your feet, around your ankles as well. Another nice little touch is these laces. If you ever have any issues with them, if you ever need to replace them, you could just get some basic laces at that point, which is nice because a lot of times shoes that are pretty expensive, they have very specific laces, and if something happens to them, guess what? Now you all of a sudden need to get new laces. That's how that part goes. The sole here, as you can tell, we use quite a bit. Sorry if they're so dirty, but they have a little thing here that says many good things begin with the letter A. Obviously they're looking to advertise themselves. A for Aldo. The wear and tear is pretty nice. I've had these for over a year, and you could tell that they're actually not that bad, especially at the bottom. A lot of times you're gonna see a lot of wear and tear right here in this region right here. Oops, in this region here, but it's especially where the person's the front of their foot is, but this hasn't had any issues with that, which is great. To take care of these things is actually not that bad. You honestly just you take like a cloth that you obviously trust, and you just wipe them down, and that's it. I've been through rain, I've been through all types of weather with these things, and I haven't had any issues. The only thing is that they have to be careful. The front is not so susceptible to this, but the back, if I'm not sure if you could see it, you can't really see it, but there's some scratching right around this area here. So this part here is going to be susceptible to scratching, so you're going to want to be careful with that. I know it's the back, it's the back part of the shoe, and most people don't really hit on that. But if you hit a curb or if you hit something really sharp, see, there you go, see, you could see those ridges there. Unfortunately, there's not much you could do about that. This one nicely doesn't have it, so that's always a good feature. You can always obviously tie these up however you'd like. They're super nice. They fit really well. They're very thin for what they are. A lot of times high tops can be very bulky, which it's not exactly my specific preference, but these are actually very thin. If you look here on the inside, see, they're really thin, which is really nice. The advantage of that is that they're very light. So you put these on, you could do a lot of things. I mean, I personally don't like to use them too terribly much for anything other than walking, simply because they're such nice shoes. They're such shoes that you can use to kind of dress up an outfit. But you can use them for a lot of things because they're very light. They're nice. They're elegant. A lot of times these are going to be they're not too terribly casual. I mean, I personally wouldn't wear these as casual shoes. I personally would wear these as shoes with some nice chinos or with some nice pants, not dress pants but just regular pants, and if you wear jeans, that works as well too. I haven't specifically tried jeans. I'm not exactly sure how the wear and tear is on this side, because I'm not sure if you guys are aware, but a lot of times when you do wear jeans with nice sneakers, a lot of times the side of it can get a little worn out, so just kind of be careful with that. I personally haven't had experience with that, so I want to be aware of that. Other than that, they're really nice shoes. They're black, all black from Aldo. Pricing is great. You can find these actually all over the place. They're super nice. The laces are great. They're thin too. They're just right. They're not too thin either, but they do the job well. Then, however you choose to tie them up, they're gonna be really comfortable. I can guarantee you that. So a lot of times when you want to dress up, items that you put on your feet are not going to be too terribly comfortable, but that's not the case in this time. So these are the Aldo. I would say probably mid to high tops in all black, and I hope you guys enjoyed.